In this video, we will learn how to create numpy arrays. Okay, to create arrays in numpy, we use the numpy.array method. We will see two ways through which we can easily create arrays in numpy. First by passing a tuple and second by passing a list. Tuple and list are both collections in Python. So we will see both the ways. Okay, open PyCharm. So we will create a project. First we need to enable the menus. Go to here, then view, and here in under appearance, main menu is separate toolbar. Select it so that the menus are always visible. Here it is. It is visible now, the menus. Now we need to create a new project for our numpy, our first project. Here it is. Let me name it numpy. Let's say the following: numpy create arrays, and I'll just click on create, and the location is the following. I'll click create, click new window. Okay, you can close this now. Previous window, and the following is our first project. Location, you can check the following. Okay, we will check for the first time. See users. Amit underscore is the username. PyCharm projects, and here it is, and here is our project we just created. Okay, nothing is visible inside because we haven't added anything. Okay, so this was the location of all our projects. Now I'll be creating my first Python file in it because we have two examples. New, you need to directly type Python file. Let's say I'll name it demo1. It will automatically add .py because Python file is selected. I'll press enter only, that's it. Here it is. This is our first file. Similarly, create our second file because we are having two examples. Right click, Python file. I'll type demo2. That's it, and press enter. It will create a second file also. Now let us run our first program in which we'll be creating a numpy array by passing tuple. Okay, first we need to import our library. Since we are working on numpy, we need to import it so that we can run it. Okay, import numpy. We need to use this numpy again and again in our program. So I'll be giving an alias np. So I'll only write np now. That's it. Okay, now I'll be creating our array. Let's say our array name is n. Now I'll type np because I want to use the numpy library. np.array method. That's it. Okay, since we are passing a tuple, we have used the parenthesis. Now add the elements in it. That's it. I'll add 3 elements, let's say. I'll now print it using the print command, just like in Python. Now go to file, save all, right click, run demo1. Here it is. We have printed 1, 2, 3. This is what we wanted to print. We can also print the type by typing print bracket type bracket n. That's it. And I'll save all again. Right click, run demo1, and here it is. It is showing that this is the numpy array. Okay, nd array is basically a shorthand name for n-dimensional array. Okay, so this is how we can create an array by passing tuple. Now let us go to our demo2 program. We will create a numpy array by passing list. Okay, let's see. Import in a similar way a numpy as np. Np is an alias. Now what I'll do, I'll create a new array using n is equal to np.array method again because we use array to create an array in numpy. Okay, now we'll be using the brackets because we are passing a list. In demo1, what we did, we used the parentheses here. Okay, because it was a tuple collection. And in Python list, you can use the following brackets, and I'll type, let's say, elements. Go to file, save all. Okay, we can print it. And we can also print the type using the type method. Use the type method and within that add the array name. Now file, save all. Right click, run demo. We created numpy array successfully. And here it is visible. numpy.end array, that means the n dimensional array in numpy. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create a numpy array by passing a tuple using the array method and by passing a list using the array method. Thank you for watching the video.